Sam, I think he said it's supposed to be windy this morning.
That weatherman will.
If it's a lie, they told it.
That weatherman was lying. I'll tell you that right now. Where's your battery for this at?
Under the seat behind you.
What size line you got run to that battery? Power wire.
10 gauge.
Okay. For both these units?
No. My GL. Oh, the power for both of them.
Yeah.
Yeah. But my GLS runs off my trolling motor batteries. It's 24 volt. Nice fish. That's a big Shirley. Chad, I remember Chad saying one time, you got names for all these fish. You don't call them big Shirleys, reruns, and megalodons?
No.
That's a big Shirley.
I call a few under big old big ones. That's about it.
Big old big ones?
Big old big
Oh,
ones.
11 and a half. Oh, man.
I was wondering why it wasn't looking right on it.
TV release it, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
See that fish following it down?
Mm-hmm. You got him. Oh, you missed
Yeah,
it.
he come off.
They love it.
I didn't get quite far enough. I dropped down in him.
Kevin can see it now.
Yeah.
I can't believe that was like that. I don't know. I don't know. I must have did it when I was striper hybrid fishing. Because I remember trying to use it, and that's probably when I did it last year. So it's been like that for a year. Oh, you see them? They come all the way out right there.
Hybrid that they're going across.
That might have been what hit it. Oh, shit.
Broke you off again? God darn.
Well, you check my drag. It ain't too tight.
You're sitting too hard.
I don't fish with, what is it, 4-pound test?
You're sitting too hard. You got to pop it like you got to.
I know. I get a little aggressive, but you realize
I'm missed two right here in the first. Okay. I'll still. There's my bait right there in the front of the pond.
Oh, I see what you got.
Down there too. Go.
Little guy? Yeah, that's a little guy.
Another thing, never throw that crappie straight down, back in the water.
Do what?
Never drop that crappie straight in the water. Toss
Oh, that's, it's Sam. He does. He throws it behind him. I know. Well,
a lot of guys don't understand that. Them crappie waxes go back in there and pretty much tell them to just go, don't bite. Seriously.
There's old buddy of mine
You want
up
that
there in
one?
Winder. He owns a construction company.
that's a ghost.
Look at all them crappie out there going down. Moving. God almighty. That's 300-400 crappie on that tree at least. Sometimes you just can't get them to bite it.
Oh, I know. Hey. He ain't even looking at it. You see me right there?
Everyone chasing my bait.
That's
right
me
now,
right
boy.
there.
I missed it.
But they wouldn't even look at it.
No. Some trees are that way some days. This tree right here is one of them trees that's it's day to day. One day you can wear them out, next day you won't get hard to get a bite off.
Hey.
You get five, and they'll eat that damn stuff, swallow it, and can't shit it. And I've got rid of all mine.
Oh, I had one.
It used to be eerie down in the bottoms at my house. They'd get the damn little
Barking
siren
and stuff.
come down the moon.
That's how it is for the nighttime. Me doing tree. I used to do catfish trips at night.
Yeah.
Quit doing that. That bait is still so good.
Almost a Shirley. Me and my son got up every morning. Hell, we didn't even get out there by 9 o'clock. And run noodles and preacher's in.
Yeah.
We had it
All right. I told y'all we're going to have a secret weapon on the boat today. Got Chad Smith out here showing us how to catch these fish.
Excuse me.
seeing fish coming up after looking at it, they're a little active. If they're all just sitting dormant, even when you pull over their heads, they're not hungry.
Coming down hot. Coming down hot. That's a good fish. Oh.
October. Will you continue using this type?
Yes, sir.
The small. Okay. Here, I get you.
I've got to why I use small ones year round, unless now December, January into February, I use the bigger 2-inch bait with like a.
God almighty damn! People went to raising hell and
really
put me in damn jail for 2 weeks. Couldn't even find me nothing. That's a good one there. You need net.
No.
Swing 'em. Big Shirley. Big Shirley alert. Big Shirley alert.
See, I put 6 in there a while ago, or maybe 7. I think you got about 7 in there now.
You just catch one on a jig. God, he got a nice fish.
Damn jig, come on.
The jig break?
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
You're gonna cut both of them ends off right there, right to the edge of it.
We need some sharp scissors. I got scissors that don't cut the damn braid worth of shit.
That's the thinnest lot you're gonna find right there.
Now, how long you want this? Is that long enough?
That's fine.
Okay.
Put that weight though right on that knot.
I will.
Catch you one? Yeah. Look at there. Old blind, hard to find that every once in a while. Come on, fish, eat.
Man, that's a slow sinking jig, boy. See how slow that thing's
because
going?
you're throwing 1/32. What you want this time of year though. Gotta eat that time.
Big Shirley. Big Shirley. Oh, that was a nice fish.
Just barely eating it.
Yeah, a little bluegill, brim.
You can tell when I hit it, I'll like a little quick little pop.
Are you just casting out in the middle, Sam?
Yeah.
And catch them? Well, that's what these guys under the bridge do.
I got a fish on too. I'm freaking hung up.
It's your first time out here doing this?
I guess it feels like it anyway.
That's nice fish. Nice fish. Ah, you guys caught some fish. I ain't caught nothing yet. What am I doing wrong? I got the.
North told me one day you ain't holding your mouth right, boy.
Well, I ain't got the right color on here or something.
We'll say, you get talking about how you live in that worm.
Expert, ain't he?
No.
Oh, he's not?
That's Wayne Moore.
No, I
Wayne Moore's a karate expert.
God, he's got a black belt, dude.
Oh,
He showed me his freaking card.
I didn't know that. If I did, I forgot.
Oh, he lives right here, Sugar Creek.
Yeah, ask him next time. Look
at that catfish right
Chris
there.
Jones is asked down to
Up and
well, hell now, he's way old. Chad.
light bite, boy. A little better one here.
Oh, got a big Shirley.
Gigging biggins.
All right, guys, I told you we were going to have a secret weapon on the boat today. Chad Smith here with us.
2 days a week.
Chad Smith Guide Service, been fishing this lake for how many years?
16. We've guided 16 years.
Guiding 16 years, one of the best fishermen on this lake. So anyway, we're going to wrap this video up. We're fishing the bridge here last few minutes before we go in, but we got a trip Friday, guys, so I'll see you guys out here Friday morning. All right, till next time. What you doing over there, Sam? God, Big Shirley alert! Big Shirley alert! Oh, loose.
That's what I'm talking about. She wasn't going nowhere.
I got it.
A cold.
Be a diamond someday. Gonna grow and go till I'm so good.
Get him, Kev.
Gotta watch those rod tips, boys and girls. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, that about put the hook in my hand. God almighty.
Okay.
Woo. Thank God I don't use sharp hooks, guys. That would have been in my hand. Woo, gotta knock the point off of them hooks, guys. If you don't knock the point off of them hooks, you're liable to get one in your hand. Woo, I always take a little file and knock that hard, sharp point off of that hook. No. I'm being a little sarcastic. That's what I'm talking about. Woo, I know that's the wife. She wants to damn eat fish tacos tonight. Get him, Sam.
I love it. Absolutely love it. I don't have fun naked no more. It's the most fun you can have with your clothes on, man.
Get him, Sam. And just a little butterbane.
Oh shit, he's swallowed it.
Clinton and Lorraine.
Hey, how you doing?
Oh,
All right.
oh, I heard it beep beep. I think my battery's about dead. All right, so
Thanks so much for the Crappie.
oh, you're welcome.
We're gonna enjoy it.
All right,
We'll come and go out with you.
all right. My battery's going dead. All right, guys. We'll see you Friday. I'll be out Friday. All right, bye.